Okay, so I'll just give you a very brief overview of the assessment process and the results of the assessment voucher. Some of the information we already shared in the first workshop, which is the number of applications that we received. That was 54 applications in total, of which 49 were considered eligible for and passed on to the external evaluation. Like we said before, the country with the most applications was Ireland with 19, followed by Italy, Romania, Portugal, and Spain. What I did not share at that time, because we had not performed that analysis yet, is the sectors of the applicants. So here we can see that the metal and fabricated metal products was the sector with the most number of applicants, followed by other manufacturing, which is different sectors that include things like jewelry manufacturing, medical devices, and pharmaceutical industry packaging. And then manufacturing of machinery and equipment, and manufacturing of computer, electronic, and optical products, and food and beverage and textiles were the following sectors. Regarding the purposes of the applications that we received to the assessment voucher open call, the number one purpose that was named in most applications was optimization and best quality, followed by monitoring and then virtual design. The number adds to more than the total number of applications because, as you know, applications could name more than one purpose for the digital twin. Like I said before, I think also out of the 38 digital innovation hubs in our network, 21 were requested in the applications that we received for the assessment voucher open call, a little over half of them. And in the end, we selected 22 finalists, of which 3 were excluded during the legal checks. So in the end, we had 3 applications from Italy, Romania, and Spain, 2 from Ireland, Portugal, and Slovenia, and 1 from Austria, Latvia, the Netherlands, and Switzerland. Regarding the submission of the assessment reports, all of the reports were submitted on time. Only 1 report had to be modified and resubmitted. Payments were made to all beneficiaries by the end of December. Please keep in mind that the payment is up to 70% of the total budget and not what is inserted in the requested amount. There was one case with 1 beneficiary that had requested more than 70%, so that's why they did not receive what was in the requested amount. And there is currently 1 digital innovation hub working on a scientific paper about the work done in this open call. I have sent all of the beneficiaries an email asking for cooperation with this digital innovation hub in case you are interested. I see that Gustavo is on the call. Gustavo, would you like to say a few words and try and maybe get some more responses if you'd like now?
Hello, thank you, Nuno, for this introduction. So I'm from Tech. We are working with Produtech Digital Innovation Hub. So since we are also a scientific research and technology organization, we are working on a paper about guidelines and roadmaps for the implementation of digital twins. So analyzing the projects we worked with, we saw that there were some patterns. So we were curious about if these patterns could also be seen in other projects. And this is a very interesting analysis. So you can result in some guidelines for implementation of digital twins. So if you are interested, Nuno has my email, and we can talk to you later. And in the end, we'll share a brief analysis of these results we are looking at. Thank you, Nuno.
Okay, thank you, Gustavo. And that's it from my part. Any questions or comments?